So we're a few minutes in, siguro mga 5-10 minutes. So no joke nga, pagpasok mo pa lang ng trail, dire-diretso na nga pataas. Huwag naman. Hey, hello. Time check. It's already 1 a.m. And I'm about to go to my first hike for today. Yeah. So yeah, this is going to be somewhat raw. So let's go. Okay, we're here. We're about to start. Okay, mga nagsidating na sila. Arlo, Estra, mga people from the south.
Go Sparta.
South representatives. Hey. Okay, we're starting. Time check, anong oras na? May relo ako, hindi ko pa na-adjust eh.
Time check, 5:52.
5:52, we're starting our hikes. Entry pa lang, ganito na. This is my first hike, no? Hindi pa ako nakapag-hike ever since. Pero nagpa-mountain bike tayo, so baka magamit natin yung skills natin sa pagbabike dito. Yan si Kuya Eden, 10 to 18 years na naman siya dito sa mountain pag-hike. We make how.
What is the different function of the mountain bike and a road bike, bro?
Sa road bike kasi it's really more on road. So mga cemented roads. Mountain bikes pwedeng off-road. So mga mountain, mga ganito, trails. Pero this is a different level na kasi this is a bit harder. Pero yung mga mas, sige mga level 2, level 1 na mga mountains in terms of hiking. Yun yung mga tinatawag na green trail. Yeah, more on the beginner side.
How did you start biking? When?
So story time. Wala, ano lang, nahila lang din ako ng pinsan, ng cousin ko into cycling. Pero before I went into cycling, yung inaral ko yung mga parts. It was like a relationship. It was getting to know before I really got into it. Tapos when I started, just fell in love with it. Tapos 3-4 years into cycling before I actually stopped. Wala, na-busy tayo eh. College life. Pero a few months before I actually started into college, nag-compete ako into races.
Like yung sa
Cycling na mga race. Sa mga off-road, may mga parang specific na track. Off-road track.
okay lang.
Nandito po tayo ngayon. Alam nyo ba na ang English ng mountain
Is mountain.
is mountain?
So yan,
Meron naman.
medyo lumipat ako sa likod na part, no? So ito yung middle to, yung likod. Where yung mga leaders natin, yan sila Fred, yung mga staffers natin. Kay Fred, Kuya Kenneth, nasa likod.
Uy!
Hindi ko alam kung naririnig yung audio ng mga pinag-uusapan, pero wala, vibes.
Simili, parang pareho yan.
Kaya nga similar.
Similar.
Oo. Hopefully it's seen, no? So yan, pataas siya talaga. Hindi siya ganun katali. Hindi siya kita. Mukha siyang flat dun sa video. First actual pit stop namin. So yan. medyo mas flat siya compared to inakit namin. So talaga resting area.
Guys, this is awesome. This whole experience is so.
Eh, no, number 2 daw yun, number 2. May leaves naman pala, may banana leaves, okay na yan.
Bawal umihi.
Baka may ano eh. Kasi crawlies bro.
Ayan, ansan sa
Ako namatay dito.
Wag naman. Woo! Eh, yellow. Oh. Woo! Ayan.
Baba na daw.
So, ayan na. After the first pahinga, let's go. Going up ulit. Wala pang view eh. Malapit na. Wag naman. Wag na natin pangarapin yun. Walang madudulas.
Good morning!
So ayan yung view. So, hindi ko alam, wala pa tayong halfway. 30 minutes pa lang eh. Pero, ang ganda ng view. So second forced break pagkatapos ng view. Ayan.
Vlogger pala ito.
Documentation.
Adokyo. Kuya Ken.
Kuya Kem.
Bro, kinakanta ng lolo ko. Nilalakad nila papuntang school. Sinakakit nila yung bundok. Ito pala yun.
Tapos tatawid pa sila ng ilog na bro.
Tatawid pa ng ilog.
Nagsiswimming pa sila.
Ipagbargulan sa mga shark, mga ganun. Sheesh man. Wala ka sa lolo ko.
May buntag.
Shout out to Decathlon, no? Yung shoes nyo, it's proving its worth for $750. Yeah, plug.
Baka fit check, fit check.
Kuwecha. Let's go. Hey guys, nahati na kami to 3 groups, no? Yung leading group. Tapos we are the second group. Yung third group na huli, kasama sila Kuya Kenneth.
Magiging Ford na.
Grabe yung timing bro. Bro. Yan pa. So, pahinga ng konti. Sakit ulit. No doubt talaga level 3 bro. Di talaga siya beginner height kasi literal dire-diretso siya. Yung sa mga tour guides naman, meron naman sila mga ayun nga, 4 stop or yung mga mismong actual na resting area. Parang dalawa lang ata yung resting area dito. Dalawa, tatlo. Pero in between, they have the 4 stop nga. Forced water break. So yan. It's very complicated. And that's like my height over there. Pantay ko siya halos. Bigyan na po up. Yan, malapit na tayo bro. Mga pa 3/4 na tayo. 3/4 lang ata ko. Yeah. Okay, we've been hiking for almost 2 hours na, no? We started like 6:55 from yung timeline ng videos natin. Malapit na tayo.
Wala ka pang pawis ah.
Meron na, actually. Na-absorb lang. Na-absorb. Mukha lang hindi pinagpapawisan. Hindi naman kasi, actually hindi naman pawis ang basahan din ng pagod. Kasi ang pawis is thermal regulation nga ng katawan. So, fun fact. Okay. So medyo malapit na kami sa taas, no? From yung previous video natin, it's like 5 minutes siguro. Oh, less than 100 meters na lang daw. Here's the view though.
Masarap kumain dito.
Uy, wag sana marinig, no? Pero maganda yung talawin. We're almost at the peak ng mountain. It's been a very, very treacherous journey, no? Very treacherous. Just wanted to stop a bit and just enjoy the view, the scenery. You know, I want to share it with you guys. That's why I'm doing this documentary of the hike of the CYA bros, no? So mayroon tayong mga newbies or mga new members of CYA such as si Jetro. Ako, I'm actually new. I've been with CYA for the past 5-6 months and so far so good, no? Na-enjoy ko naman yung CYA. So I've been very active na din with yung mga departments na marketing. Tapos ayun, sometimes parang automatic na ikaw yung nagli-lead, ikaw nauuna, so wala pa yung iba, it's late kasi. Okay lang. Let's go. We're almost there. Nandyan na Yung landmark. Whew!
I'm gonna make it!
So medyo nag-pit stop kami dito sa main cross, no, kasi we're waiting for the other two. Pero yun na yung peak, nasa tabi na lang. Tapos may nakita kami dito. Nakita namin kung saan nagagaling yung Highlands, ano, corn beef. Bro. Highlands corn beef yan, bro. Dalawa yan. Ay, apat pa, marami pa pala sila doon, oh.
Ilan yung lake?
Jokes on you, di ko alam paano magbilang. Like, the view is still quite nice. So we're here at the peak. Let's go, boys! So success yung first hike natin, no. So we're here 760 meters above sea level.
Na tayong alabang, pre.
Let's go. So everyone's having fun. We're just waiting for still one more member. Si Way, wala pa eh. Tito nyo kung saan na naman umaabot. We're about to go down now. Actually, we're going down now. I just need to take a video. So, hindi man ako nadulas, no? Joke lang, meron. Isa. So, that's it. After that, I was like very cautious. So, okay.
Picture tayo, Francis.
Three, two, one.
Francis, sabi mo, hold your horses.
Big boy, oh. Woo!
Okay lang sa inyo pag inadobo mo.
Hold your horses!
Okay din, actually.
Oo.
Tipo
Matigas
natin.
yung mitil.
Yeah. It's muscles.
Milin kasi.
Uy, nahihiya, pre. Nahihiya yung...
Camera shy. Sorry na.
Kaya mo yan, par. Laban lang. Ayun.
Napagod eh.
So, we're at ground level na, ano. Makarinig mo yung mga background music pa tayo. So, medyo nahuli sila. Nauna kami nila Jetro at Fred. Si DJ at saka si Ezra nandun sila sa front. They went first kanina. So, hike is done. It's all... Grabe. Ang bilis. Mag-11 pa lang. Only 11:40. So, literal. Ang bilis lang ng trail. Umakyat kami, wala pa 2 hours halos. We started hiking. Sabihin na natin 6, it was 5:55. So we reached ng around 8. Yung first hike ko, no? Ganito tayo ka-topic, bro. We succeed. Yay!
Yo, bros. Stay safe.
So, we safe. Wala namang injuries or anything. May mga konting nadulas, pero it's part of the experience, no? Okay, we're here at the start. Woo! We reached it safely. Natapos din tayo.